What's going on, guys? Kalipa's Tech here, coming back at you with another video. In this video, I'm going to be giving you a quick tutorial on how to take a screenshot with the Samsung Galaxy A42 5G. Taking a screenshot is a really easy thing to do once you get the hang of it, but if you're new to Android or smartphones in general, it might be a little confusing because not every phone has the same way to do it, and this phone in particular has some different settings you can change as well. So I'm going to go over everything. Before we get started though, I do want to remind you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It helps out the channel a lot. But now, let's get into the video. So the first thing I'm going to show you, of course, is the main point of this video, how to actually take a screenshot with the phone. All you need to do is press the power key and the volume down key at the same time and go like this. You don't even need to hold it. All you need to do is press it and it's gonna take a screenshot. That little toolbar that just disappeared, as you can see, it doesn't last very long, but if you miss it, which I do almost every time, all you gotta do is just drag this down right here, go to your notification center, and it's right here. You can edit it, do everything that the bar does. So there are actually two different methods of taking a screenshot with this phone, and I'm gonna be honest, I really don't like the alternate method. Depending on the phone you have, Samsung does have several different ways to take screenshots. Some phones allow you to just go like this and swipe, but unfortunately, this phone really doesn't. The second way to take a screenshot with this phone is by dragging your palm across the edge of the screen. And this works for me about 50% of the time. I know there's a technique to it, but for me, it's just hard to get down for some reason. All you need to do is go like this, and I guess it worked that time, but as you can see, it's not the most convenient, but all the same, feel free to give it a try and see if it's a feature that you like, because everyone is different and this feature does exist for a reason. Someone out there must be using it and enjoying it, so who knows, maybe you'll end up liking it. So I'm going to show you a few different settings in the settings menu you can change pertaining to screenshots. So let's go to our settings menu right here, all the way to the bottom, not all the way. Right here, advanced features, screenshots, and we got a few different options. You can actually turn off that little bar. So now when you take a screenshot, it's not going to show up. It's just going to flash the screen a little bit and go right to your photo library. You can also hide the status and navigation bars. And this is actually a really cool feature because it makes things look a lot cleaner. So I'm going to show you what that looks like. Screenshot taken, and let's see. So as you can see here, I took a screenshot with that setting enabled, and there's no status bar and no navigation bar, whereas the previous screenshot took basically everything. So that's a real nice one. Honestly, unless you're trying to specifically show the status bar or the navigation bar, I don't know why you wouldn't have that on all the time. Definitely try it out. It makes everything look a lot better. The other thing you can do is delete shared screenshots, and this is really mostly useful if you use that bar a lot, because then you can share it right from there, and as soon as you share it, it's just gonna go away, and this kind of helps keep the clutter out of your gallery, because if you have a bunch of different screenshots in your gallery, it does start to get a little bit messy. And the final thing you can do is change the screenshot format from a JPG to a PNG, and there are some situations where you might need to do that. But that was a quick walkthrough of screenshots with the Samsung Galaxy A42 5G. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you found this information useful as well. If you did, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to learn more about the phone, definitely check out my full review of the device as well. But that's it for this video. I will see you guys in the next one.